What's going on, y'all? We're going to go over Bitcoin today. So let's see. In the state of the crypto market, I'll go over a few. All right, so I'm going to be honest. I'm not liking it at all. I want to find a naked chart to chart it against. Okay, yeah, I'll just get rid of this. I don't think it's important anymore. So on a monthly time frame, I think we're okay. This is a little bit concerning. There's 5 waves put in, so very concerning to me. Our side looks okay. No divergences anywhere. Sorry, I'm kind of sick. I'm gonna go to weekly. Now the weekly is where it kind of tells a different story. The thing I don't like is this sweep here. Right? Oh, sorry. Let me go to monthly again. I think we did. I'm gonna mark out the PML, and we're gonna do PMI, PMH, previous month high. Okay, so now we have that. Now I don't like how we swept this and then we closed below it in the same candle. That's pretty bearish signature and price to me, and that's telling me that order flow is bearish for now. So we were very close to hitting PML, but we didn't get it. So that's telling me that we're gonna go for it later on. I don't know if it's just like on the USD chart. Okay, so it's weird because USDT we did sweep the low for the PWL. I'm gonna use this chart for now. But delete this, take this out, take this. We'll call this P, same thing. PMH and PML. Previous month high, previous month low. Again, we have a bearish CSD, not liking this wick action because we swept, closed below. That's bearish. Bearish as fuck, actually. Imagine all these traders buying up here and then just getting wrecked. All right, not liking that. So it kind of formed this internal liquidity range. Swept this out and it failed, right? We didn't hold. So now we're headed lower. Where's that huge data wick? Yeah, this wick right here. All right, so here's your actual range. Here's your actual range. I'm just gonna hide this for now just so it's clear. And then I'm gonna delete this and take this out. Take this, I'll take all this out. All right, so here's your range. This wick, I don't know, it's a data wick from sometime in December. We closed above and then we immediately fell back below. What do you notice? There's a BPR right here, and where do we exactly retest again? The BPR / the wick. So we swept that, right? So now that we're at, I don't know why I drew this line, is that significant? Oh yeah, okay, so that's the weekly level. So now that, I'll just keep it there. Now that we're back below, I think the draw is 85K. And why is it 85K? There's also a CME gap at 80K. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so there is a gap sometime in here. So 78 to 82K. All right, I don't know what does that look like? Definitely might sweep this level. I'm just gonna mark it there. So to me, what it looks like is this is the draw. We're headed lower. So I think everything is gonna take a massive hit. We're in the middle of the move right now. I think it's gonna accelerate pretty soon. Because to be honest with yourself, this is not a bullish move. It's 3 waves up, so it's implying it's corrective. And for you L8 waivers out there, this is what it will look like. All right, so the measured move is around 85K. And I think it's more complex actually. It's probably, if I had to guess, maybe it's actually just this. Maybe you have a I hate doing this, ABC here. Then you got another ABC, you got a triple zigzag. All right, and then we're in the middle of another portion right now. So that's what I think is gonna happen. I'm gonna delete it real quick because I don't really use that anymore. I'm bearish on Bitcoin to 85K. Once you sweep 85K, I'm looking to go in. And also, none of this is financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. But yeah, it's clear to me that this is going lower. And then if you kind of invert it, I don't think we really break out that much or break down before below 85K. All right, so the good news is this is all corrected. The bad news is we're headed lower in the short term. Now let's review it on a little smaller scale. Delete this. What do you guys notice on this chart right here? All right. I can't believe we didn't sweep that. That's kind of insane. Do we not sweep it on? Okay, we swept it on perps. So the chart's a little bit suspicious to me. So we go back to this. What do you guys notice right here? We swept out 102K, and then what do you also notice right here? Once you sweep something and in the same candle you break below a key level, that's the #1 signature on price that we're probably headed lower. So this CSD level would have turned into you if you took it all the way down, and then it's just nonstop. There's no re-entry anywhere on 4 hour. You got a massive BPR there. There's a breaker block, but you don't even retest it. There's nothing. You can't take this because you're in the middle of a cluster. You can maybe take this, but you're bidding on a wick. So there's nothing that I see that you could have re-entered off of. I actually think that, let me see if there's anything on a smaller time frame. So if you're on a 15-minute, you could have taken that. That's really clear. And then to make it a little bit easier for you, so it's basically telling you this. That's exactly what it is. All right, so put it here. All right, so higher low, sweep, break below, and then all this little sideways action, and die. All right, and then it's just massive nuking candles. Now, I do think we're in the middle of a dead cat bounce. Where are we headed? I think it kind of draws into. Let me delete this. Where would I draw into from a market maker? So there's a BPR here. So we already did draw into that. And then there's a breaker block on the 4 hour. Might not even get there, to be honest. It looks so freaking weak. So I would probably guess that we're gonna sweep into 96K. This is just asinine action. It's just so trash. So my best guess, we go something like this. I don't even think we get into breaker block before we head lower. But yeah, I think we're doing that. The weekly, I'm guessing, is probably gonna be where acceleration happens. So we probably the weekly. I don't know. Maybe we need to close below 93K. I want to mark this. So if we close below here, then close below here. What the fuck? Wick back a little bit, and then just die. That's what I think is happening. I don't really think we're bottomed at all. But let's see. I think we're in Newtown right now. Yeah, it's bad. Okay, so that's Bitcoin TLDR. No interest until PML swept at 90K, and then realistically, I think this 85K level is gonna get swept. So basically, like this. That's what I'm interested in. Let's go ETH. ETH is very clear to me that we are 3K is evident for sure. I'm almost like super positive. I might even short the share right now. Might wait for the weekly candle to form. Yeah, weekly candle needs to close below 32.80. If you close below that, then I would probably bid the retest and then go head lower. And then 3K sweep, I'm expecting to get hit. So I would probably look for, I don't know, maybe something in between this. I hate using fibs, so useless. But let's see, yeah. So maybe 27.50. Maybe it retests right on this order block. All right, so I think anywhere below 3K is buy on ETH to me. It's gonna do sweep and then start ascending higher. So that's the good news. Bad news short term is just bearish. Good news, still think we have one last leg. ETH didn't even make a high. It's so bad. And then just to touch on, the bottom is not going to be in until we sweep at least 0.2941. All right, this is just so bad. Look at this shit. It's so weak. Maybe it doesn't even sweep yet at all. Like, or it doesn't even uptrend. But yeah, this is just terrible price action. The horrific downtrend continues. Because if you're a market maker and you're looking at this, when would you actually reverse? Like, this didn't reverse off anything. Maybe this order block / fair value gap, but no, it's not. We need to tag this. It's a magnet right now. And then speaking of, I didn't go over the dominance. Yeah, same thing, 63%. Once we get to 63%, then we can talk about all this LR being built up. Right, it's not really LLR anymore because of this wick, so we kind of have higher resistance liquidity. But we need to get up here and then break down. All right. What else is there? I don't know. They all look kind of trash. This to me looks scary as fuck. Bitcoin Cash. It could eat. God, it's so bad. Maybe like 373, but I'm kind of concerned it might even. Well, I'll just say maybe it's like down here. Yeah, it should be. I think we bought them sometime in February. Soon, hopefully. Yeah, this is such bad price action, man. I'm not confident in holding anything right now. Oh God. Yeah, that just looks terrible. Could you imagine if we did this? If we did this, then higher, that would be brutal. I don't know if we do it though. I don't know if we do it. I don't think we do. But I'm just noting it would be pretty fucking brutal. Yeah, that looks like ass. I don't know where it draws into. I think a good gauge, just PML. Just mark out PML on most outs. So sweep that, then go higher. Look at total 3. Yeah, this still looks bullish to me. I'm not that, it's not too bad. Jeez, why is it so? Kind of, I think anywhere it needs to test like. Ooh, yeah, actually not looking that great. So let's look at it again. Sweep, CSD, retest, and lower it. Now, if you get an extension, God. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I don't, all this LR being built up, it's gonna be brutal. Okay, so I think we have a lot of blood to come on altcoins. So I'm not interested in anything, in buying anything until 2.79. I'm gonna put alert right here. Yeah, I think it's coming really soon. Maybe put a fucking February. Start looking to buy, in my opinion. Yeah, pretty bad. It's doing this right now. Or maybe it's doing... Where are the EMAs at? Jesus. Where's the third one? Oh no. Some more pain, guys. Just okay. Other than that, not much update. I think I will accumulate CRV. Did I take it off? Yeah, I want some CRV. Let's look. I think it's clear we're gonna go into this BPR and sweep at least the PML. So I want to see this taken out at. I want to see 63 cents taken out. Put this as PML. And then once we tag that, probably go higher. I don't know if we get to $6, but maybe 156. That would be a good move. All right, so that's one coin I'm looking to accumulate on this dip or on this pullback. The next one, maybe Atom. Oh, Atom's already fucking feeling right now. Atom, I don't know. Maybe here. Yeah, I'm only liking CRV. XRP, a little bit better. I think it needs to test 158. Let's see. I would actually kind of short this. Yeah, I would short that. Yeah, I think XRP goes lower. 184 I'd be interested in. But yeah, that's the state of the crypto market. Not bull right now. Not bull right now, to me at least. Unless we reclaim the monthly high. Unless we take out 353, not bull. This is bearish. All this action. This is a breaker block right here. We closed beneath it already. So we're going to head lower, in my opinion. Okay, so that's the crypto market. So stay safe out there and peace.